Hello everyone, welcome to Love Max. Today we are going to see about area related to circles unit in 10th standard exercise 5.1. See the first sum. The first sum is given here. The radius you have to pi value you have to take 22 by 7. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of other two circles. Okay. What is the question means? Two circle radius are given. One circle is 19, one circle is 9. Okay, this is sum. This is equal to one new circle. This new circle radius is how much? Okay, so usually this circle radius plus this circle radius is new circle radius. Sum of this 19 plus 9 is 28. Okay, if it is a choose it, you can answer directly. But if it is the question answer, you have to do step by step. Here we are going to see how to do the step by step. Okay, first I am taking the radius of first circle is R1. Okay, because here 3, here 1 R, here 1 R, here 1 R. 3 is that. That's why first circle radius I am taking R1, that is 19 centimeter. Second circle radius I am taking R2, that is 9 centimeter. So third circle I am taking R only. If you want, you can take R3 also, no problem. So usually circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi R. This is meaning is 2 times pi R. Okay, so this is entire meaning 2 into pi into R. All the three are in multiplication. So circumference, this third circle is circumference is equal to circumference of first circle sum. Question only they given. So sum means plus second circle circumference. So this is third circle circumference is 2 pi. Radius we taken as R. So 2 pi R. This is 2 pi R value is 19. This is 2 pi R value is 9. So 19 into 2 38 pi. 9 into 2 18 pi. So pi totally add these two 56 pi. This side 2 pi R. So cancelling pi and pi. Okay, pi cancel, 2 r equal to 56 means r equal to 56 by 2 equal to 28 centimeter. So new circle radius is equal to 28 centimeter. If it is the choose it, you can answer directly adding both the two. So it is the sum means you have to work out this formula. Second sum same like that, but it is based on area. This is we are saying about circumference. Second sum is based on area. The radii of two circles are 8 cm, 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area is equal to sum of the area of the two circles. So this is going to see about radius. So two circles are there. One is 8 cm. Plus 1 is a 6 centimeter. We are going to see the third one. So this is the, this is radius. This is circumference means sum of the is equal, but is area. No, it's not like that. Let us check is it equal. Radius of first circle, let us take R1. Radius of second circle, let us take R2. Radius of the third circle, I am taking only R. Okay. So next. So area of the circle pi r square. Area of a circle pi r square. We are knowing this formula. This also meaning is pi into r squared means r multiplied by itself. That means r multiplied 2 times. R into r. Okay, so radius of third circle, the area of first circle plus area of second circle. So pi into first circle is 8 squared plus this is 6 squared. 8 squared is 64, 6 squared is 36. Adding those two, it is we getting 100 pi. So this side pi r square. So pi and pi cancel. R squared is equal to r means 100 means r. So this side comes square, this side comes opposite side of equal is a square root. So this is meaning square root of 100 is 10. That means plus or minus 10. 10 into 10 also 100. Minus 10 into minus 10 also 100. So radius and all we are taking positive value. So r is 10 centimeter. So new circle radius is 10 centimeter. Okay. So the next one. Third sum, they are given circles like a concentric circle. See here. like this circle they are given, each and its name they given, gold region, that is the red, blue, black and white. Okay, so target marked with the 5 scoring region from the center of outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter, okay, they given as a diameter is 21 and the other bands 10.5 centimeter is a width. Find the area of each 5 scoring region. See here, the diagram is given. This is the gold, this is the red, then in between region, that gap only we consider as a region, that is blue, this gap is black, this gap is white. Okay, so it is totally, this diameter length is 21 centimeter. Diameter they given as 21 centimeter. Next, each side 10.5 centimeter width. Width means this gap, this distance is there, you know, this is width. So 10.5. This also 10.5, this also 10.5, this also 10.5. So first we are going to take, which is totally 5 different circles there, different regions. So each circle we are taking as R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. So that is the each side 10.5 centimeter. So I am taking first is the R1, R2, R3, R4, still R5. So radius of the gold region consider as R1, that is equal to 21 by 2, that is equal to, because diameter by 2 is a radius, diameter is 21 centimeter. So 21 by 2 is 10.5 centimeter. Next, radius of the circle R2, because this circle radius only we are knowing. Region means this gap only. So you are taking as a second circle. So that is R2. So totally this is 10.5. Again this length, because this is a gold means again is a red. Okay, so from here to here I need. This is I know 10.5. This gap also 10.5. So adding those two, it is the second circle radius. So 10.5 plus 10.5 equal to 21 centimeter. Next, radius of the third circle. Again one 10.5 is there. So 21 plus 10.5, 31.5. Fourth circle also again on 10.5. Fifth circle also again on 10.5. First you are going to find out each one radius. Okay. Next, find area of the gold region. Area of the gold region means that is first circle. So pi R1 squared. Pi into R1 how much? 10.5 whole square. So pi value is 22 by 7. 10.5 into 10.5. So 17 is 7. 17 is 7. Here 3. 1.5. So multiply all those things, you can get 346.5 centimeters square. Next, area of the red region. Simply only pi r squared is not. Red region means from here to this center point to this much they are not asking. Only this gap. So what we are going to do? See here, one circle, another one circle. I need only this gap area. So what I am going to do? First to find out the larger circle area, subtract from the smaller circle area means I can get this gap, how much area is there. Okay, so what we are going to do? R2 minus R1. That only we are going to do the second circle, area of the red region. So area of second circle minus area of first circle. So second circle means R2 squared minus R1 squared. Take pi as a common. R2 how much? Second circle 21. So 21 squared minus 10.5 squared. So pi equal to 21 squared is 441 minus 10.5 squared is 110 minus 0.25. Subtract, you can get 330.75 pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. If you simplify, cancelling this as a 7, you can simplify means you got the answer 1039.5 centimeter square. So same you have to continue if blue region means, so third circle 1, 2, 3. This is the blue region. Okay. So I need this means this third circle subtract from second circle. So area of third circle minus area of second circle. Okay. R3. Third circle radius is how much we are finding now? R3 is 31.5. So 30.5 minus 21. Okay, here also fourth circle minus third circle. Like that you are going to substitute and find out the remaining answer. It is practicing for you. Then only you can understand easily. Okay, still remaining steps are there. You could find out the answer how much it wants to come. So the next question is fourth question, that is see here the fourth question. The wheels of a car are of a diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel takes in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 kilometer per hour? Okay, that means one wheel is there like this. One wheel is there. So per kilometer 66 kilometer per 1 hour means in 10 minutes it is how many rotation like this. Okay, how many times the wheel will rotate. Okay, so first the diameter of the wheel of the car is 80. So diameter 80 means we know the radius. So 80 by 2. So the radius is 40. So circumference, because it is the one full rotation. One full rotation means from here to here it's a perimeter. In the circle perimeter means it is the circumference. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is 40. So totally 80 pi. Okay. Next, speed of a car is 66 kilometer per hour. But here this is the circumference is centimeter. Then question also per 10 minutes how much only. So this kilometer per hour you have to convert centimeter for minutes. Centimeter for minutes. Hour convert as minutes means because 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, divided by 60. Hour convert as minute, 1 hour is 60. Then 1 kilometer convert as centimeter means it is comes 1 lakh. Okay. Because 1 kilometer meter means 1 meter means it is 1000. Okay, meter convert into centimeter means it is 100. First meter means it is the 1000. Meter convert into the centimeter it is 100. So totally multiply this, you got 1 lakh. Then hour convert as minute, it is 60. This meaning is kilometer divided by hour. So this is the meter centimeter divided by the minutes. Okay, so now you could cancel this 0 and this 0 cancel. 1 6 is 6, this is 11 6 are. So 11 into 10,000 you can get this answer. So distance covered by car, this is calculated as 1 minute. So 10 minutes means multiply with the 10. Multiply with the 10, adding another one 0. So this distance. So n means how many times it is rotation we don't know. Number of rotation into distance travelled in one revolution. That means circumference. So number of revolution in one circumference equal to totally in 10 minutes how much distance it's travel. So number I don't know. N into the circumference is 80 pi equal to that 10 minutes distance. So only I required n. So 11,000 divided by divided by 80. Here it is a 80 times pi. So 80 here multiplication, this sum is division. Pi also here it is the division. So pi value is 22 by 7. This denominator goes as numerator. So cancelling 0 and 0 cancel. 122 is 522 is 110, remaining 3 zeros. Okay, so 5 into 7, 3500 by 8. So if you cancel by 8, you can get 4375. Is it clear? So totally in 10 minutes it is covered 4375 rotation. Okay, so the question which is think here they given kilometer per hour, the question is centimeter and minutes. So this kilometer per hour you have to convert. Okay, per 1 minute you find 10 minutes and equate both. That's all. Is it clear? So next question, it is very simple question. Take the correct answer. It is like a choose the correct answer. If the perimeter and the area of the circle are equal, then the radius of the circle is 2 units, 5 pi units, 4 units, 7 units. We have to check. So perimeter and the area of perimeter means circumference. Circumference of a circle equal to area of the circle. What is circumference of a circle formula? 2 pi r. Area of the circle formula pi r squared. Pi and pi cancel. So 2r equal to r squared means r into r. So this r and this r also cancel. So 2 equal to r. So r equal to 2. When radius is 2, circumference of a circle and the area of the circles are equal. Okay, so which option means? It is option A. I hope you are understand this exercise. Just do the practice this sum. You can understand clearly. Thank you.